Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I got the Fontaine PROGRESS, which is like a French lock. It's a tubular lock with 5 pins, and it's more like wafers. I will pick it very quickly, hopefully, and then I will get it for you. I haven't got it yet. I know how to open it, but haven't got it completely. So as you can see, key works fine. To retract the thingy here, I will only pick it like one stop, just to show that I can. It's not that hard actually. The hardest part on this lock to pick is actually the tensioning. So I bent this little tension wrench because I have to get it deep in here, and you can see the little wafers, and the tensioning is deep in here. Alright, so let's see if I can get it picked. I just need heavy tension, and I just need a screwdriver. Well, actually, let me use the key so I can submit it to speed locks. Two is set, 3 looks good, also looks good, and we open. And next position. So as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward pick. So let me get this one out of a vise, and I can show you that I actually have picked it. So what I need to do is unscrew this little baby here, and then I can unscrew the housing. Alright, that far I already know. Now we can doing this. And got this little nice brass fontaine also here, pretty cool. And then we have our little core. Now you see I picked it because, as you can see, the bolt is not here, and I now use the key again because I can now, because it's not blocked anymore, you know, and go back. You can see that I picked it. This is the normal position, and I picked it to this position. Alright, let's get the core out. And the other side, just like this, you can, I don't know if you can unscrew it. I didn't try. You probably, because you have this long screw here, and yeah. So here we got our little Fontaine PROGRESS, and now you can see this little wafers. And when I, let me fix this. When I insert the key, the wafers will go in position, and this allows the wafers to pass these little gates in here. I don't know if you can see that. They are little gates, and the wafers allow us to pass them. Alright, so now I haven't gutted it, so let's be very, very careful. I can, like, I don't know, can I? Yeah, I can. And I already have one little spring here, and I got one of the wafers. I will use this opportunity to clean it up. Okay, now we got another one. We got the wafer out here. So 3. Still there, all good. I try to get it in the right order so I can remember. And this would be the last one. You need to hold the finger on it. So wafer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have to look for a spring. And now you can see the core is just like this. Pretty straightforward. The wafer's in here with a little spring for the spring tension. Guess I have to put it like this. So you got the the spring in here, and the key just, where's my key? There's my key. and the key just uses the wafers, and this is for tensioning this fin here. So as you can see, just pushing it down like this in the right position. Well, let me see if I can find that spring really quickly and maybe try to put it back together. Alright, I have found it. So we're gonna try to reassemble the lock. Wish me luck. So, as I told you, you have to put in the spring. Let me get some closer. A little closer here. Put this one a little to the side. So this should be this one. So I can, hopefully, like this. I have to insert the spring somewhere. So, get it back in focus here for you guys. And ladies, is there any? This might just work. It looks not too bad, does it? Alright, so let's keep a finger on it and put in the next little wafer. It is pretty rusty, but it does work. Dong! There it is. This was quite a fun pick. It was quite fun to figure out this lock, because I couldn't figure out how to kind of tension it at first. I knew how to tension it, but I didn't know how to keep it tension. It was a little, it's a little annoying. But in the end, everything went fine. Now let's get this one back together, and I'm happy. This one is doing a little dance with me, so need to keep my finger on it. This one also now likes to come out, so we keep our finger on it as well. So last one, I hope, and then I hope I can slide over the cover again, and we're golden. This is very oily. I have not enough fingers right now. Doesn't look too bad. Now, for my last trick. Cover it again. And let's see if that works. That does work. Let's put it back in here and see if it... Yeah, it does rotate. Now you can see really nicely. You got the little levers to rotate everything. Now let me put on little progressive, this little fun progressive cover, and then I would put in the screw, but I will take it apart in a second again. And now you can see that it works. Let me see, we thought, and there you see the dead bolt coming out. Pretty nice, pretty fun look. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching this nice Fontaine progressive. Might be a public first, I have to check. You will see. Well, see you next time. Bye bye.